nakarating din ako.
Finally, you're here. You know, malapit ng Chinese New Year.
Huh?
98 years na.
Nagpakasarap lang ako.
O, tinan mo, yung mga ano mo, puti na.
Ano ba yung game drop? At least ako, nagpakabusog ako dun. Ikaw, nakakaisa ka pa lang. Gym ka na agad. Hina mo. Ako, kahit
sorry
1, 2, 3, 4, panto pa yan. Walang problema. Go
Sure
lang na
ka,
go.
sure? Ay, 3 months?
Wala namang hawakan dun.
3 months.
Ha?
Musta naman yung baby?
Mga pagkain yan, yan, baby.
Pagkain. Okay, so, ready ka na ba for the next? Ito ang first natin. First things natin.
Gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, kahit lima pa yan, walang problema. Ano na?
So, next time, dapat may top 5 tayo.
Oo, top 5 na.
O, sige, pero ito, first place natin. Let's go.
Let's go.
获得我们最佳热闹盛宴的第一名是六福海鲜酒家。The first place winner of our search for the best laureate feast is Golden Fortune, transforming the traditional Chinese panto setting with thrilling and exciting flavors and exotic dishes. The first prize-winning panto of Golden Fortune restaurant is quite accessible for its affordable price and even made more irresistible with its dazzling flavors.
Before we eat, syempre, i-ano muna natin.
Introduce muna natin.
Yes. So, saan tayo mag-i-start? This is
Soya cake.
soya cake.
So in short, gawa siya sa soya.
And then, 3 little
Crablet.
crab. Yes. Ano sila, bakla sila lahat.
Mhm.
And alam mo ba, Jason, bakit mas masarap ang bakla?
Bakit?
Pakita ko sa iyo, nakita mo yung crab roe niya? O, di ba? Mas marami.
Yes.
Mas masarap. This is white Peking duck. Bakit white sa kanila? Eh sa ibang restaurant, negro naman. Maitim. Oh, sila siguro mga galing China. Okay, next.
Ito ay crocodile daw to. Tail lang isang
Tail.
crocodile.
Juicy yung ano niya. Juicy yung
Tsaka
meat.
malambot, no?
Yes.
Hindi siya matigas. Kasi pag dinig mo yung crocodile, parang ang tigas-tigas nung meat niya. Pero pag kinaya mo, malambot.
Eh, kung akala nyo, this is beef. Then,
You're
you're
wrong.
totally wrong. Beef daw. Ostrich to!
Ostrich.
Yes. Chewy. Tapos, mabango. Naghiwalay sila, kaya naging two-way. Oh.
Naghiwalay.
Yung last is
Fried shark.
fried shark. And this one,
Is the shark soup. Napaka-special ng meat niya, no? Parang, ay di siya kagaya ng fish na pag kinaya mo, lusaw agad. But siya kasi may pagka-chunky rin siya.
second way, which
The
is
fried shark.
fried shark.
Mhm.
Alam mo, may napansin ako.
Ano?
Ang sticky ng feeling niya. Mostly pag ganun, maganda daw sa skin. So mga girls, yan.
Yan.
Dapat kainin
Fried
ito.
shark.
This is the rice with eel.
Pure flavor talaga yung
Exactly.
niya.
Oo.
Which complements the rice.
Tama.
Ito, Willard, alam mo ba kung ano to?
Angel shell. Oh.
May aftertaste siya ng tamis. At saka yung feel mo talaga yung fresh siya. Kasi, malambot siya. At saka hindi siya yung malansa. Hindi siya yung sticky.
Sarap, di ba? So, Jason, nabusog ka?
Oo naman. Sabi ba naman yan? Hindi ka pa mabubusog dun.
Yan. So, ngayon, dessert na. Pero before we proceed sa dessert, before we taste it, tayo muna tayo. Mag-exercise muna tayo. Okay, music! Tang 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 tang. Okay. Ang pangalan ng itong dessert is
Cha-cha. Mainit siya. Hindi siya yung usual na dessert na malamig. Kasi sabi yan, sa Chinese daw, yung dessert ng mga Chinese, minsan, sinaserve ng hot.
okay. So we have snow roll. Strawberry.
Pakita mo, pure yung loob niya. Pure.
Oo nga, no?
Sarap.
Hi guys! Hi Dolores!
Hi,
Hi
Ma'am
Jason!
Queenie. Hello.
Hello! How's the food? Did you enjoy the
Grabe.
Laureate and Panto Thai?
Super sarap.
Pinaka-favorite ko yung crocodile. Ang cute talaga.
Tingnan mo.
Oo,
Don't
kayo
speak
na
when your
ba?
mouth is full.
Have you tried it all?
Yes, ang sarap talaga. Pati ang dessert natin, grabe.
Oh,
Unique
yes.
at
Oo.
delicious. Yun.
Naman.
So, as a return, we got something for you.
What is this?
Ching! Chinoy TV presents this. Congratulations to Golden Fortune Seafood Restaurant winning the top 3 best Chinese laureates September 2011. Congratulations! Yeah. Yes, congratulations!
Kasama! Good news!
Picture tayo, picture with the winner.
In behalf of Golden Fortune Seafood Restaurant, we would like to thank Chinoy TV and Net25 for giving us this award as the best Chinese laureate. Mabuhay! Chinoy TV!
Ang sarap, grabe. Grabe, natakam kayo lahat, no?
Grabe, I still can't believe I got through all those 3 festive laureates. Parang di ata ako kaya na isang linggo eh.
Oh, ikaw nga, isang linggo lang. Ako, 1 month. Diet, gym, workout, exercise, lahat-lahat na.
没关系，既然能为观众朋友们介绍各种各样的3大最佳的东西，我还是很高兴诶。
没错，再次呢要恭喜我们网络票选出来的3家餐厅，恭喜你们 ，Congratulations！
Yeah. And the next Chinoy Charts poll is on the top 3 best desserts ever.
So, make sure to visit our Facebook fan page and click vote.
接下来请继续收看更精彩的节目。
Kaya tutok lang, only here on Chinoy TV 飞华电视台。
Bye.
And the winner is